Minister 𝗚𝗢𝗗 𝗣𝗨𝗡 handed over temporary shelter homes to internally displaced persons today. These were constructed by Manipur Police Housing Cooperative Limited at 𝗧𝗛𝗢𝗗 jail campus under scheme for providing temporary shelter to displaced families for 3,000 shelter units. Swing machines, gas cylinders, etc. were also distributed at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister 𝗚𝗢𝗏 𝗣𝗨𝗡 said 400 families had been provided with prefabricated houses in the first phase today, and these are carried out under the strict instruction of the Prime Minister and Home Minister of the country. He also added that the government is working towards restoring peace and normalcy in the state. Efforts are ongoing to build houses for those who have lost homes due to the ethnic clashes and to make students attend schools and colleges. Ministers and MLAs have been meeting twice, omitting from the day classes broke out to monitor the situation, added the Chief Minister. The incident is unfortunate and uncalled for, however, there are fringe elements. A High Court order to which the government had not even responded caused the incident. Those responsible will be punished by God, and that the truth will be out at the same spot. There are no answers yet as to why the incident began, and let God give the judgment. The first step that will be taken up will be ensure people from both the hills and the valley who have suffered due to the violence live peacefully at their villages. Prefabricated houses are being set up at 8 different places as a temporary accommodation. Prefabricated houses are being set up at 𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗣𝗢𝗢, which can accommodate 320 families, 400 at 𝗧𝗛𝗢𝗢𝗡, 200 at 𝗧𝗛𝗢𝗡𝗛, and 400 at 𝗣𝗨𝗡𝗑𝗍. This will be set up 𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗣𝗢𝗍 as well. Biren also added that a total of 149 crore rupees has been set aside to construct these prefabricated homes. He also mentioned that there are no more incidents of violence and that security forces have been functioning well. Biren expressed belief that peace and normalcy will be restored in the state soon. He appealed to the people of Manipur to work towards restoring peace and normalcy. On the other hand, Chief Minister also stated that Manipur ranks 6th in the country in improved living of standard. He credited this to the scheme undertaken in the state. He said the government will not allow this momentum to die away and will carry out work to identify legal immigrants. Steps have been already taken up to construct houses of those destroyed in the violence so that people can return to their original homes. Lease is being collected from relief camps to provide 10 lakh rupees to those who are undergoing troubles under One Family, One Livelihood scheme.
Thoning the Batok Tokpa, Lexalatre, Ayamba, security personnel sing, Magi Mapam the Sangakanda function, Fazinato Hokre, Imai sing, Silinoxing the Yama Pakaneramba, Mapam Sadaba, Madam Sadabam from the Gi, Attack Torokatra, Kolakatra, and Singaramba to Karakadi Huzik, Farakbagimami Lere, like Queen Sumadu, Honorable Union Home Minister Ms. Haziki direct supervision Makada, Yamkana, Sosan Pudu, where you pibam, More the way of pibam, Kangfopi the way of pibam, Infal the way of pibam, Naina dana, Akanba, Miang Sangdana, Kana Honori, Normalcy, Soidana, Atuamatam the Hanjalagan, Habasiki, Hazaba, Akoidelay, and Masi Punamanga Mibasi, Manipurgi, Library Praja, Mayam. Nima Ibel Singh, civil society, clubs, organizations, search leaders Singh, Liberiba, Mayam Siga Punba, effort Tagi, Ekoi, Santi Tuna Angela Punina Lawi, the Santi Simakata, Nadum Tamnabu, the Mokoi Punna, Onaminasi. For what of Doxigi, solution porkani, politically, Aduga, Ikoina. Sathagadaba Tabak Ekoi Lepoy, illegal immigrants Kantopa, biometric law boy, Sapsan Madu Bharat Sarkar Punakoi, Leptana Satagani, Uziako survey hore, survey Yamolo Shalakoda DC, honorable emulation Mayamiona, Yum Mangta Krabasing, immediately Yum Saraga, Hanjan by Abasing, Lay by Abasing a koi, Atumatam the Yum Sara Sargamagi Kunsingano, Yum Saraga, Lehana Vigakoi, Tokana Pakapa hore. Relief came the one at Arab elevation is asking, Imasing, Inausing, Ipasing the Koi, Mogi relief, or another Koi, especially One Family, One Livelihood key, Palak Tarataragi schemes, Moida de Koi, priority winner, with the least concord Poloida, Moshide Heck, Lady Bakangu, Mayam, Sid Lady Kalaga, Shigizagashida, Waxetama, or somewhere, Moishidagi Purga, Moina Towningiba Moina Makumasa, but Taningiba Porto. Equally, government infrastructure like pushing the Tabak Sulaga, more the funding to Viraga, more self-sustained to Nunaba, Mogi Madugi Port, Atumatam de Quay, government give a dim Haidokre, Masiki Damti, Yanganaba, Akanaba, ऑफिसर टीम अमा थम्मकाने खोई कन होनजरी अन मयाम तुंगनिंग हनबिगनु मतम मतमगी अचुम बमदे अरानबा खंगतोकनबा मतम मतमगी ईश्वरना सुगुम्बा थोकदोक्सी थोनगिदब नते मणिपुर की मियाम पुनमक्ता मेकअप थोबो ओरसनु मेकअप थोकांदा मैहोरोंदगी लेराबा कोई इंडिजिनस पीपल से कराइदा लेरम्मी अखोई से करी फिबम यौना लेरम्मे कराइ यौना अखोई मतम कयाम कुइने अखोई से सर्वाइव तौगदोरिगा हाइबसे हुजे खनबा हौनरमनी मयाम मेकअप थो मने लवेगी मोता